In this video, we are going to talk about the cutting length calculation for a stirrup with a given dimension of the cross section of a column. So we have two parts in this figure, part A and part B. On the top in part A, the cross section of a column is shown where the dimensions of the column are 457 millimeter and 381 millimeter. While in figure B, the dimension of the stirrups are given in inches after the calculation. So after the calculation, the one of the dimension of the stirrup is 12 inches, another one is 15 inches, while the hook length is 3.5 inches. So let's discuss how these calculations are achieved. On the top, along the two dimensions of the stirrup, we have two other parameters. One of them is the diameter of the bar that is used for making the stirrup is actually 10 millimeter, and we have the clear cover. Clear cover is the gap between the stirrup bar and the outer boundary of the column, which is 40 millimeter in this case. So in figure B, at the bottom, we see that the calculations are given in 7 lines, line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So on line 7 in red text, we see that the total cutting length of the stirrup is 61 inches, which is actually 12 plus 12 plus 15 plus 15 plus 3.5 plus 3.5. So that is equal to sum up to 61 inches. So now look at these calculations in more detail. So in figure A, we see that the width of the column is 381 millimeter, which is given by the black color text in line 1, and then the length of the column is 457 millimeter, which is given by the line 2 in the black color text. Then the clear cover is given by the line 3 in the black color text is equal to 40 millimeter, and the diameter of the stirrup is 10 millimeter, which is given in line 4 in the black color text. So the first things we need to calculate the width of the column. We need to calculate the width of the stirrup and the length of the stirrup with given width of the column and given length of the column. So first of all, in line 5, SW is actually equal to the width of the stirrup, which is equal to width of the column minus 2 times the clear cover. And then the in line 6, SL is equal to length of the column minus 2 times the clear cover. So why the 2 times of the clear cover is subtracted from the given dimensions of the column? Because we can see that if we consider any of the dimension, either width or the length, then we can see that the stirrup is actually 2 times clear cover shorter than the length and width of the given dimensions of the column. That is, you can see that is reflected on the top in figure A. So if we subtract the clear cover from both sides of a given dimension, that gives us actually the stirrup length for the column in that dimension. And finally, we will be going to put all these values in the formula for the cutting length of the stirrup, which is given in red text in line 7. So the capital length is equal to 2 times the stirrup width plus 2 times the stirrup length plus 2 times 10 times the diameter of the stirrup bar. So why is 2 times the stirrup width? Because we see that in a given stirrup the width is there 2 times, and also the length is 2 times. Also we have 2 hooks, so that's why we have 2 times the stirrup width, 2 times the stirrup length that was calculated from the given dimensions of the column. And then we have this is actually the thumb rule is 2 times 10 times the stirrup diameter. So actually 10 times stirrup diameter is giving us the hook length for a single hook, and since we have 2 hooks for given stirrup, that's why it is multiplied by 2, and after these calculations, the value that, because all the input values are in millimeters, so we will get the final value of capital L, which is the cutting length of the stirrup, in millimeter, and then it get converted into inches, so which is equal to 61 inches. And that's why in figure B we can see that the dimensions of the stirrup are then represented by inches, like 12 inch is width of the column, while 15 inches length of the column, and 3.5 is length of the hook. So that's all for today. Please subscribe our channel and do like the video.